Summer house style ideas to inspire you. 1. Find a secluded spot at the end of the garden. The position of your summer house is really important. Generally, at the far end of the garden is a good place. In the middle will make your garden seem smaller than it is and break up the lawn space you have. Plus, if you're looking to create a beautiful retreat, the further you are away from everyday life, the better. We love how this spacious summer house is surrounded by trees, giving it a truly secluded, middle of the countryside feel. 2. Mix and match your furniture. Give your garden summer house a relaxed look with a mix of furniture styles, from the kind of comfy sofa you might find in your living room to painted wicker pieces in a hot pink hue. Junk shop finds are great for outhouses, as you don't need to have your best furniture in here, and remember that upcycling can turn even the most unloved piece into something great. 3. Make space to dine. Provide your garden summer house with a decked area and you'll have the perfect spot for lazy summer lunches. Pretty bunting and folding director's chairs dress up the typical English clubhouse look. You can't go wrong with fold-up furniture in the UK. If it starts raining, you can easily and quickly take it inside to use under the comfort of your summer house roof. 4. Paint it blue. Decorate the exterior of your garden summer house in a fetching blue. If you have a hilly garden, this arrangement shows you what can be done. It's all about creating different levels in your garden so you have a flat enough surface for your summer house to sit on. In the absence of a lawn, there's still lots of scope to have flower beds and pots dotted about for a lush, green effect. 5. Fill your space with garden prints. Most people like their garden room to feel entirely different and separate from their homes. It's all about having a retreat where you can get back to nature, so choose furnishings to reflect this. Natural materials and botanical prints are the way to go. Think fresh greens, bright pinks and a splash of yellow. They're all colors found in the great outdoors and will create a soothing scheme. 6. Create a stylish footpath. Make your summer house the main attraction in your garden with a stylish stepping stone path that leads to the front door. Another noteworthy thing about this garden is the sizable summer house, which has been fitted into a relatively narrow space. A no-denil exterior, deck care and beach sign all give a nod to the seaside, too, creating the feel of a stylish beach hut.